What is the process to transfer Ticketmaster tickets to someone else?
Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll be covering how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster to someone else. Whether you can't make it to a concert or sports event, or you've purchased tickets for someone else, Ticketmaster's ticket transfer function is a secure and simple way to hand over your tickets. Let's dive right into it.
What do you need to transfer tickets?
To begin, you're going to need a few things: your Ticketmaster account, the account from which the tickets were originally purchased, the tickets you want to transfer, the recipient's valid email address. Please note that not all tickets on Ticketmaster are eligible for transfer. Be sure to check the event and your specific tickets for transfer eligibility.
How do you sign in and navigate to your tickets?
1. Sign in to your Ticketmaster account. Use your usual login credentials to get access to your account. 2. Once signed in, go to My Account, which can be found on the top right corner of the page. 3. Next, go to My Tickets. This will bring you to a page displaying all the tickets currently in your possession.
How do you transfer your tickets?
1. Find the event for which you want to transfer the tickets and click on See Details. 2. Once you're in the event's details, you should see an option that says Transfer Tickets. Click on it. Remember that not all events or tickets are eligible for transfer. If you can't find the Transfer Tickets option, it likely means your tickets are not transferable. 3. Choose the tickets you wish to transfer. You can select all or only some tickets if you bought multiple. 4. After you've selected the tickets, click on the Transfer to button. 5. You'll then be asked to input the recipient's email address. Ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any issues. 6. Click Transfer Tickets to finalize the process. After you've successfully transferred your tickets, the recipient will receive an email from Ticketmaster prompting them to accept the tickets. If they do not have a Ticketmaster account, they will need to create one to accept the tickets. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster. This process is quick, secure, and ensures that your tickets end up in the right hands. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.